Hey guys, Shauna here. So today we are going to be doing another human hair crochet tutorial. This video is going to be sponsored by Karlamihair. They sent over 3 bundles of hair. However, you only need 2 packs for a full head and 3 packs for a full volume. This is going to be 20-inch feather crochet hair in deep wave. And I'm going to show you guys what the hair bundles look like. I'm almost for sure I won't need all of these bundles, but for future styles, this is going to be perfect. So here's what the bundles look like in the pack, and then I'll take them out of the pack and show you guys. Also, they sent over a crochet hook, a little brush, and a thank you card, and also there's a QR code on the back to save. And then, yeah, let's get this hair open and see what it looks like straight out the bag. Okay, so it's definitely soft to the touch. And this is pre-separated, pre-made strands to make it easier to install. And this hair is reusable if you want to use the hair again. I'm going to take it off of the hook so you guys can see exactly what the strands look like. So here's one of the bundles. Just gonna take my scissors and cut that off. Okay, and then here's what the strand looks like up close. And now we're ready to install, you guys. Let's go for it. Alrighty, you guys, so here is my braid pattern. I do have alopecia, so my hair is very thin on the sides. So I just gel my hair down on the sides, and then whatever else I can tackle up, y'all, that's what it's giving right now. So this is my braid pattern. Do whatever you like. I really feel like when it comes to braid patterns, you can do pretty much whatever, because the hairstyle itself is going to hide your braids. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the hair installed, and I didn't add anything, no water, no nothing. And I used about a pack and a half, and I have all of this left, and I still have one full pack left. I don't think I want to do anything to the hair right now, just because I like the way it looks. However, I'm sure over the next couple of days, I will add my water, and then I always use my Strictly Curls, and I'll have to do like a before and after, what it looks like wet and what it looks like just fresh out of the bag. But if you guys have any questions, you know to leave them for me down below. I feel like I need to put some makeup on you guys before I end this video, because I can't see the fullness of the hair until I put some makeup on. But I am loving it. It's so soft. I can hardly tell that I installed any hair on my head. I love it. Love it. I did a little boo-boo right here, but hey, we're gonna work with it. I think once I get my face all done, I definitely will be able to see it. This hair is reusable if you want to reuse the hair. However, I know that I'm not going to reuse this hair because the threading is so thin. I couldn't imagine trying to unbraid my hair just so I can reuse this and try to get it out. I don't have the patience, so I know that I'm going to cut mine out. But if you have the patience of Job, go ahead and do it, because it is reusable. That's each his own. Go ahead and do that if you want to, but I'm just not gonna do it. Thanks again to Karlamihair for sponsoring this video. I love the hair. Pictures will be up as well. And yeah, you guys, I gotta come back in just a few seconds.